In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to rename files and folders in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Let me just create a new file folder here to completely show you how to rename it. So by that, let me just make a right click here in the blank space of desktop. Let me just navigate with new, and here in this new folder, let me just input here a text document. Let me just make a right click again, go with new, and go with text document. Okay, so in order to rename a file or a folder here in your Windows 11, all you need to do is you need to make a right click. And the moment you click on it, you won't be able to see a specific option here in this window where you can rename that. However, you can see an icon for rename. So beside this copy, you can see there a rename icon, okay? Or either you can press F2 or the function key, which is F2 here in your keyboard, and in that way you will be able to rename a file or folder. So by that, the moment you click on it, just have to click on the backspace here, and please proceed on giving a name that you would like to go with. So let's say for example, I would like to rename that into folder 1. Then hit the enter key, and if an an existing file has been created for this one, just have to click on no and give another name that don't have any similar names of the file here in your Windows 11. Okay, so I'll be renaming it folder instead. Okay, in that way, I have just successfully renamed here a folder. And in order to rename a file here, just have to double tap to it. And let's say, for example, I want to rename this text document. All you need to do is you need to navigate here at this side where you can see a rename icon. Click on it, and you can rename that into my case, for example, text. In that way, I have just successfully renamed a file here in my Windows. Okay, so that's it. You have just successfully renamed here. You can also locate your cursor here. Just have to click on it once, and then that way you will be able to rename that. So let's say, for example, important files. Then click on the enter key in your keyboard. In that way, you would be able to rename a file here or a folder. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.